I'm really interested in the way that tech changes the way that we live our lives, so when it came time to train, it made sense to pick a firm where tech is at the core of what we do.
Probably because of their focus on technology and innovation, and also the people.
The IP and sports practice and reputation for nice people.
I used to work at a startup that worked with Bird & Bird. Really liked the people that I came across, and it seemed like a really good fit.
Probably going on secondment in my second seat to an international bank, working in a really challenging working environment.
So I enjoy the fact that people come to you with a problem and it's your job to solve it.
Definitely the puzzles and the ability to find solutions to clients' problems that you might not necessarily think that there is a solution, but there always is.
I really enjoy being involved in litigation and the strategy behind running a case.
Diversity of work.
Definitely data protection. It's a very fast evolving area of law with some very sector specific challenges.
Definitely the retail and consumer sector. I'm quite interested in fashion, beauty and wellness generally, so it's great advising those clients with their legal challenges.
I've loved being involved in the media, entertainment and sports sector group. We have an amazing list of clients in those sectors, and it's a really active group in terms of know-how and BD projects and socials.
Practice group would be commercial, and the technology and media sector groups.
Definitely corporate. Paralegal there for 18 months before I started my training contract, and I've now qualified there.
Really enjoyed working in the Mez team. So I started working with the media rights group, for example, and as soon as I got here pretty much, and it's been really fun writing articles on stuff that I'm really interested in myself.
I play netball, so I play ladies and mixed.
I've inexpertly played football with the Bird & Bird Women's Football Club and helped set up a language cafe here in the London office. I also co-launched a newsletter focusing on the application of AI in healthcare.
I've loved being part of the media rights editorial team and also the bilingual language cafe.
So I ran the football team for a year, sent lots of annoying emails to people.
Definitely sweet.
Has to be savoury.
Always sweet.
Sweet.
It's got to be sweet.
Savoury.
Definitely got a terrible sweet tooth.
Savoury, definitely.
My childhood dream was to run a food truck.
Probably be a detective.
I think I'd be a novelist.
Probably a paleontologist. I watched Jurassic Park too many times as a kid, so definitely that.
I think I'd be a journalist.
A doctor.
I would be a marine conservationist.
Be a soil scientist specialising in environmental fate.
I think I'd like to work with horses.
English literature.
Favourite subject at school was music.
English literature.
Biology.
Philosophy and ethics.
History or English literature.
I'd be in trouble with my Italian family if they found out, but it's mac and cheese.
Jollof rice with stew.
Definitely burgers.
Pizza.
Spaghetti bolognese.